Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, and it's January 20th, and also Inauguration Day today. So there's no economic data to go over today, and so we'll just kind of jump into it. So this will be kind of short and sweet for you guys. Headline news: basically, stock market's up today so far. A lot of it has to do with earnings reports that came out, some good numbers for earnings reports that they like. Also, some better data that came out of economic data came out of abroad, like in Europe and China, came in much better than they expected. So that gave kind of a boost to the stock market. Also, that's up is the 10-year Treasury yields. It's reaching a point about the 2.5 psychological level here, where we'll have to kind of wait and see what's going on here. Is that what we've been seeing is, and I'll kind of jump into it so you can better illustrate this. The stock market's been going up. All these guys fight for investment dollars. So we got mortgage-backed securities. So as you can see, sharp declines in the mortgage-backed securities. This money, what that means is that the mortgage-backed securities, of course, are being sold off. And where it's going is, of course, 10-year treasuries. So you got the yield now reaching at a psychological level of 2.5. Just like we've been looking at a psychological level of the Dow at the 20,000 level, we've been closely approaching that. Came within a hair length of it, as close as 19,999.63, so less than 1 point to reach the 20,000 psychological, and then since then, of course, it backtracked a little bit. But anyways, to kind of get into this, we are on this downtrend, which means rates are kind of climbing up a bit further. So a lot of this money is going into those other areas like stock market and, of course, the 10-year treasury. The reason why the psychological for the 2.5 psychological is if it continues to go upwards, we're going to continue seeing the treasury going up, the yields on the treasury going up. We're going to continue seeing the mortgage-backed securities drop further, and that will create higher interest rates as well. So those are some things we're going to have to watch for. And right now we're actually like 2.49 and change on the so far today for the 10-year treasury. So this is something again to watch for. If we start if it seems like it's going to close at 2.5 or higher, the next psychological level, of course, will be the 2.6 level. Now, here we got this first floor of resistance, and we're already below it. To get any type of hope of jumping upwards, we need to close above this level here. Try to get back to at least where we were yesterday, to basically nil. Otherwise, we got, again, as we mentioned before, there's really no floor until we reach around the low 101 level here, and that's a pretty big drop. That's nearly 1 point drop here. So we can easily go from about 2.5, almost 3 points drop here within a matter of a few days here. So again, I would definitely keep an eye on possibly lock if you need to or not, but today we'll want to watch to see if the 2.5 yield on the treasury sticks or if it pulls back a little bit. If it pulls back a little bit, it'll help out bond market. So that means money's coming out of the treasuries into the bond market here. But today, unfortunately, we're down about 16 basis points, which translates to interest rates going up again today from where we left off yesterday. All right, folks. Again, we're going to try to keep this short and sweet, but there's no, again, information. There's not a whole lot out there today as we had the Inauguration Day. I don't know if you guys watched it. I hope you guys did, and me personally, I did watch it. I thought it was very inspiring. So hopefully we'll see good things to come as what was said on there. A lot of good information on there. I thought, again, was inspiring and trying to unify the country instead of a lot of the hate that's been going out there. But in any case, if you guys want to get further data out there on the Twitter, please feel free to stop by at Mike Bjork. I will be putting more information out there. Take care, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and we'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.